Welcome guys to the new episode of Codzify YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss how you can add the dynamic rows in FlutterFlow. For example, if I click add row button, a new row will be added in which we have displayed the day, time and this. So the purpose of today's episode is to explain how you can add this kind of functionality in your app. So suppose you have a feature of adding a teams in your app, right? For example, for administrative apps where user has multiple roles, in that case you can use this feature to add multiple dynamic rows like this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is we will do is I will create a new page over here. Okay, I will create a blank page and I will name it as dynamic rows. Okay, like this. Now inside this dynamic rows, what we will do is we will add one list view. Okay, like this. And inside this list view, and also one go to page selector here, and from here you can add one component. Okay, so whatever you have to display, for example, this is one row, right? This is one row, this is second row, this is third row. Now inside this row we want this day, this from time and to time, right? So how to add this? So for that we have to add a component here. Okay, so that's what we are doing. We are creating a base component. Okay, like this, create component, and we will design a row over here like this. Okay, now inside this we will go to widget tree and add a container first. Okay, and we will make the width of this container as infinite, and inside this container we will add one row. Inside this row we will add one text, and we can add a drop down like this, and here we will add one more drop down like this. Okay, now you can make the width smaller as well for these, and select the row to add the spacing. In the right side you can add some spacing like this. Okay, now this will display the day. I will keep it like this, and for drop down you can change the timings here from 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. like this. Okay, this will be 30 a.m. Similarly for this as well we will do that. And these are the default values which we are using. You can create a custom function as well, and based on that you can show the timings. Okay, so here we are. Now let's go to data type to create a new data type. I will name it as days. Okay, create it, and inside this we want the day, and this will be of type string. Another field we want is from time, and this will be of string. Okay, and from time will be in the format of list. Okay, create it. And similarly we want to time, and here we have the string which is kind of list. Okay, now we have this, and one more thing we need is a state variable. Okay, app state variable. So here I will delete this and create a new one. I will name it as days list. Okay, this will be a list and is persisted. Okay, or rather we will keep the persisted off. Okay, for the demo purposes. Now we will go to our dynamic rows. Okay, go to widget tree, and inside this list view you can add the component first, days component. Okay, like this. Now the days component will be generated dynamically through our app state variable. So I will name it as days list, and that's it. We have the days list reference. Okay, save it and generate it. Okay, now one more thing, inside this column we want one button so that we can make the alignment left. Okay, and the top padding 12, you can name it as add more like this. Okay, and you can add the padding from right as well. On the click of this we will add on action flow on tap event. Okay, we will update the app state variable. We will update the app state and add the field days list and add to list, and the value will be, from here we are not able to see the data type, right? So we want a complete row like day, from time and to time. Okay, so for that we will go to app state variable, and here you can update this, edit this, and I think we have to remove this one more time and add a new one. We will name it as days list, and this will be of type data type. Okay, from here we will select the days type, and this will be of list. Okay, like this. And now on the click of this add more button, go to open action flow, and from here we will add a new field, days list, and here you will add to list, and from here we have the data type object now, days. Okay, now inside this you can set the day, so I will name it as Monday. From time you can add, so this can be handled dynamically, but for now we are just understanding how you can add the dynamic rows, right? Confirm this and close this. Okay, now this will generate the dynamic rows automatically. Now to get on this page, I will do this, I will add this page in navbar. Okay, we'll add this page on navbar, and I will search for admin icon. Okay, so on the click of this we will get this page, and for the page title we will name it as dynamic rows. Reload this, and here we have some errors. Okay, okay, here we have updated the app state, so we have to update it here as well, like this. Okay, properly configured for list view. Okay, now the error is gone. We will reload this. Okay, let's go to dynamic rows. Initially there are no days available, so when I click here you can see the days are now coming properly. Okay, so you can add multiple rows here. Now to solve this you need to go to widget tree, select the column over here, and you can add the scrollable. You can reload this. Okay, so you can add multiple rows here. Now you can add the delete functionality and delete the rows as well. For example, if I go here and on the click action flow, you can, if we have added to list, you can delete or remove from list as well. Okay, so you can expand this functionality based on your customized needs, but this is the base, and you can use this knowledge and implement this kind of feature. If you are new to Codzify YouTube channel, make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel to get more FlutterFlow updates like this. Okay, and also if you want to learn FlutterFlow from basic to advanced, I have added multiple courses at codzify.com. You can learn and launch your grocery delivery app within one day with this kind of course. Okay, there is this nutrition AI agent course, FlutterFlow and supabase course, in which we have built a complete doctor appointment booking app, in which I have explained how to add dynamic time slots and handling the doctors and specialties based on filters, right? So everything is explained step by step. You can explore this course. This is a new course I have created. If you are from India and want to learn FlutterFlow in Hindi, this is a dating app course from scratch, in which you will be able to learn how to create a dating app like Tinder, Happen. So you will get a gist of how to build these kind of apps in this course. There is this online courses app. If you are new, you can download the Codzify mobile app on Play Store and see what kind of app you will be able to learn in this course. Okay, and all the courses are available at a very minimal price, and more than 210 students have already enrolled in this course. If you want, you can explore this course, and if you don't feel comfortable at codzify.com, you can buy the course at Udemy as well. That course is also available at Udemy. Or if you don't have enough time, you can directly clone the complete app with Pro plan. Okay, just you have to buy the Pro plan, and you can clone this complete app in your FlutterFlow tool. Okay, so if you are interested, do explore codzify.com. Okay guys, what else you want to learn, definitely comment that out. I will create a video on that stuff as well. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.